Jack from Keller Williams San Diego Metro Leadership Team, here to do a quick tutorial on how to book one of the meeting rooms, one of the conference rooms, the media room, the call booth, or the training space at our office. So here goes. I'm going to share my screen. I'll have to open up a browser, type in mykw.kw.com. It should take you to our Market Center intranet dashboard. If this is the first time you're logging in, it'll probably ask you for your Keller Williams login and password information. So once you're logged in, you'll see this dashboard. You'll go to Quick Links, go to the MyKW Market Center 197 intranet link, click on that. Click on the Market Center tab, click on Resources, and this is where you will see a list of meeting room space and call booth spaces that we have available. So at the Metro office, we have 3 conference rooms available to book on the first floor, 1 on the 3rd floor. On the first floor as well, we have our media room. And on the first floor, we also have 2 call booths that you can reserve, as well as our shared conference room with our escrow partners, also on the first floor. So that's 3 conference rooms on the first floor, 2 call booths on the first floor, as well as your media room on the first floor, and 1 on the 3rd floor. At our business center, which used to be our Keller Williams signature office, you have your main training room there, as well as the meeting room available for those agents that typically are hubbed at that location at the Hotel Circle office. So if you want to book, for example, one of the conference rooms, we'll click right here. You'll get this page. Click on the date that you want it. Let's say for today. Click on the sign up button. Change the time that you want. I'll say 5:30 to 6. Click OK. Make sure that is checked, that checkbox right there. Click confirm, and you should see it right there, time blocked under your name. If you need to change, you just go back right there, click on that, click change the time, click OK. Update reservation, and that should update on the calendar as well. If you need to remove, go back to that block and remove from the reservation. That is the way to book them. And if you also need to book any of our main training center on the first floor or the small training center above on the 3rd floor, you will need to email me. And I'll see right there on the screen is my email, evjack@kw.com. Just email me the date, the time that you need it, and the type of event that you want for that space. I could double check the calendar to make sure that it is available for you to book, and then we'll work on the logistical planning of that for you to make sure that it is seamless. If you have any other questions about the calendar or any of our meeting spaces, again, you know how to reach me, evjack@kw.com. I'm happy to help you any way I can. Thank you and have a great day.